Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making quick and easy cinnamon rolls. Before we begin, for your dough you're going to need 4 cups of flour, 2 cups of milk, a half cup of butter, a half cup of sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoon yeast. To start, go ahead and add milk into your bowl, add in some sugar, melted butter, and your yeast. Mix that in and go ahead and cover that and leave it for at least 10 minutes to allow your yeast to bloom. Once your 10 minutes are done, go ahead and add in your 4 cups of all-purpose flour into the yeast mixture. It's going to make a wet, messy dough, but that's okay. Just stir everything together to make sure everything is equally hydrated. Now that everything looks beautiful, you want to cover that up for about an hour. And while that happens, we're going to go ahead and make our filling. For this, you're gonna need 3/4 cup of very softened butter, 3/4 cup of light brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. Go ahead and add in your sugar, your butter, and ground cinnamon and mix that. It's been about an hour at this point and our dough has risen, doubled, tripled everything. It's looking great. Let's go ahead and add a cup of flour in there, some baking powder and salt to enhance flavor. Mix that in very properly. You're gonna notice that it's gonna be dry in the beginning, but that's okay. Don't be tempted to add anything. Now that our dough is ready for kneading, you wanna move it over to the counter and knead the dough for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now that we're ready for rolling, you want to flour your counter so your dough does not stick to it. Go ahead and get your cinnamon filling and place it on the dough. Make sure to spread it evenly across. Now for the rolling, you want to make it as even as possible. You can start whichever way you feel most comfortable and honestly take as much time as you want here. And next you want to cut the roll into slices, place them in a buttered tin and into a preheated oven for about half an hour. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.